Kennedy. How'd your math test go?
It sucked. I got a 0.
Well, why's that?
Because I don't know what vectors are.
I know what they are.
What are they?
Watch this video.
Hi, I'm Matea,
And I'm Nina.
and today we're going to be talking about vectors. Vectors are line segments with a magnitude, length, and a direction. The branches of mathematics that vectors are used in are geometry and physics.
Geometrically, vectors are used to translate a given model by a certain magnitude and direction.
Every vector has a head showing its direction and a tail showing its starting location. Vectors can be moved around if they're not rotated, and they remain the same. Two vectors are the same if they have the same magnitude and direction, regardless of their location.
Vectors can also be added, subtracted, and multiplied together with various formulas. To add vectors together, you line up the heads and the tails, tail to head, and draw a vector from the tail of the starting vector to the head of the other. That vector is the combined magnitude and direction. So today I'm going to teach you how to translate a shape by a given vector. The materials you're going to need is a piece of paper, a pencil, a compass, and a ruler, or a straight edge. Okay, so I'm going to translate this square A by this vector here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my compass and bisect it. And draw the line down the middle, very long, extend both ends. And then I'm going to take each point here and over the line. I'm going to draw that, and from each corner, I'm going to make an X. I'm going to do it for all the points. That's not right. Okay. I'm just gonna show the points right there. And then I just have one more. Then I'm going to take my straight edge, and from each point that I drew it, I'm going to draw a line through. And these lines are all parallel to the vector. So then what I'm going to do is take the compass and measure the vector. Like that, and then from each point make a mark on the line for how far it is. And now I'm just going to connect it. And that is the new image.
Vectors are also used in everyday life. For example, in sports, a football player might run a certain distance and direction for a play, which is an example of a vector.
Another example of vectors is giving directions or traveling, whether it's on a plane, boat, car, by foot, etc. If you were giving directions in a way that a vector would be used, you would give direction and distance to lead the traveler to their destination. For example, saying 5 miles east would be an example of a vector. Saying 5 miles to the buoy is not an example of a vector.
Oh, we understand what vectors are now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like a bee needs nectar, we need vectors to take us down the path of learning math. Wait, we gotta translate, don't hate, just translate.